Hello friends, this is Dr. Gunjan Gupta from Skin Concepts Noida, and today I'm here to discuss tinted sunscreens. Whenever we think of a sunscreen, a picture comes to our mind of a thick cream which leaves behind a whitish hue and tends to make us sweat. This need not be so anymore, as there is a good range of tinted sunscreens easily available nowadays. These tinted sunscreens give the look of a light foundation applied to our skin. They have a pigment called iron oxide which gives them their color, and it serves a dual purpose. One, it masks the whitish hue of the sunscreen. We can cover our blemishes and our uneven complexion without having to add an extra layer of makeup. I have with me here a few brands of tinted sunscreen which I have used or prescribed for my patients, and they have found the look and feel of the products to be good. I'll discuss them one by one. The first I would like to mention is the Revela range by Cipla. Two of their products are tinted. First is the Revela Tint Lotion. This is a broad spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 50 and a PA star rating of 3+. It is water resistant. It has a moisturizing base and has vitamin E. Hence, it is more suitable for normal to dry skins or the winters. Another product by Cipla, that is Revela Light Mousse, which I don't have here right now, has a very light formulation. It gives a very matte effect to the face, and hence it is more suitable for the oilier skin types or humid weather. The second product I would like to mention is the Heliocare range of sunscreens. It is an international range of sunscreens. Their colored or tinted sunscreens are available by the name of 360 Color Gels. 360 Color Gels by Heliocare. Two shades are available. This is the bronze one. There are two shades available, light and bronze. Even the basic product, that is the Heliocare Advanced Gel, the color of the product is such that it gives the look of a foundation, though it is not essentially tinted. The third product that I'd like to mention is the Suncross Tint by Sun Pharma. This is not only a tinted sunscreen, it is a purely physical one. Hence, it is suitable for all skin types, even the sensitive acne prone skins. It is not only water resistant, it provides protection against UVA, B as well as visible light. Hence, multiple uses of a single product. Again, the color of the tint is, this is Suncross Tint. This is Revela Tint. So the color of the pan, this is the Heliocare. So the color of the tints of most of these sunscreens are quite suitable for the wheatish Indian complexion. Once you blend them in, they are not very visible. The fourth I would like to mention is another product that I don't have here right now, but I do have a tester pack. This is the Ray Protect Tint by Dermatica. Again, it is a physical sunscreen with a matte effect, suitable for all skin types, and the color of the tint is quite acceptable for the Indian skin tone. Once you blend them in, these sunscreens are not very visible. They do not show too much and help you cover in your uneven complexion. You'll have to wait a few minutes for the sunscreen to get absorbed and blend into the skin. As you can see here, right? In case you don't like the color of the tints or you don't have a tinted sunscreen available with you, you can always add a pinch of your regular CC or BB cream to your sunscreen and mix them well, and you have a tinted product ready. But a note of caution, makeup products with SPF factor do not provide adequate protection, but a tinted sunscreen serves the dual purpose of makeup as well as a sunscreen. Hope you find this video helpful. In case you have any comments, do leave them in the box below. Thank you.